Little George Washington, our first president, famously told his dad, "Yes, father, I chopped down that cherry tree. I cannot tell a lie. I saw it in my third grade reader with a picture of little George holding an axe. I cannot tell a lie." George Washington set a high bar for future presidents. But that story about the cherry tree, it's a lie. It's not true. In his first term, our current president set his own bar for truth-telling. It was so newsworthy, the Washington Post published a database under the headline, "Trump's false or misleading claims total 30,573 in over 4 years. 30,573 and still counting in Trump 2.0, and it doesn't look good. PolitiFact named 2025 the year of the lie." Now, if you're paying attention to any of this like I am, you're probably scratching your head wondering, why isn't the press all of us? Why aren't we screaming, "Liar, liar, pants on fire"? We all try to tell the truth. Why can't he? I mean, we do tell the truth, don't we? "We must have lunch real soon. Your luggage is checked through. We've got inflation licked. I'll get right back to you. It's just a standard form. Tomorrow, without fail, police to meet you. Thanks a bunch. Your check is in the mail." Marooned, marooned, marooned in a blizzard of lies. Marooned, marooned, marooned in a blizzard of lies. You better watch your step when your old dog Shep can't even look ya in the eyes. You're cold and lost, and you're double-crossed when you're marooned in a blizzard of lies. We'll send someone right up. Now this won't hurt a bit. He's in a meeting now. That coat's a perfect fit. They're strictly fresh today. I love you till the end. We're not touching Medicare. Epstein's not my friend. Marooned, marooned, marooned in a blizzard of lies. Marooned, marooned, marooned in a blizzard of lies. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you're in for a big surprise when you're marooned, 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 marooned in a blizzard of lies. A blizzard